Durable RACHAEL RAY WOK. Stir-fry pan features sturdy aluminum construction for fast and even heating with a durable hard enamel exterior finish. Nonstick Stir Fry Pan. Long-lasting nonstick interior provides easy food release and helps make cleanup a cinch when cooking with this durable stir-fry pan. Sturdy pan handle. Grippy handle offers a comfortable grasp and is dual riveted for extra strength so you can feel confident through the years when moving the wok from station to station in the kitchen. Wok with lid. This RACHAEL Ray stir-fry pan comes a shatter-resistant glass lid that fits snuggly on the wok to lock in heat and moisture while cooking. High heat versatile wok. Cooking can begin on the cooktop and finish in the oven, where this wok is oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Asian-style cooking just got easier with a splash of delicious color, when you cook with the easy-to-clean RACHAEL Ray Classic Brights Hard Enamel Non-Stick 11-inch Stir-Fry Pan with lid for all kinds of everyday meals. This stir-fry pan features sturdy aluminum for outstanding durability with even heat distribution. The bold two-tone gradient color adds flair to the cooktop. A long-lasting non-stick interior releases food effortlessly and makes cleanup a snap. Use it as an extra skillet-style pan for scrambled eggs or to steam veggies for dinner. A shatter-resistant glass lid forms a tight seal around the wok to help lock in heat and moisture, and the grippy handle is rubberized for comfort and dual riveted for strength. This all-around versatile pan is oven-safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and makes the perfect complement to the rest of the clever and practical RACHAEL Ray collections. Wok on, and discover the ways an Asian-style frying pan can make everyday cooking easier and more enjoyable, with the RACHAEL Ray Classic Brights Hard Enamel Non-Stick 11-inch Stir-Fry Pan with lid. Top reviews from the United States. Lightweight and easy to use. I love this pan. I've been using it for a few months now and I've been really happy with it. It's very lightweight, which make it easy to handle without straining your wrists. And the quality of the nonstick coating seems fairly high. Overall, it's a very convenient product that can be used for a wide variety of purposes. I owned a previous version of this same pan for about 5 years before the nonstick coating, which wasn't as good quality, wore out, and I had to replace the pan. I am really glad I stuck with this model. It will be interesting to see how long this one lasts.